Hello, this is going to be Project 3 demonstration of the code for ECE 4050 with Dr. Pandya, I think. So I will quickly run you through the code and then demonstrate the graphical user interface. So a little bit, I'll start with the declaration file. So I'm going to have a function to open the file that compares the files, and a function to store the sequences, a function for converting them from the letters to numbers, or or letters to individual letters for the amino acid sequences, a function to write to the images the sequence, and as well as a subtraction function, a similarities function, and of course displaying the photos of the protein sequences and DNA RNA sequences, and one last function to save the percentage values from this percentage difference. So this is the code. It's better to just show it than to really run through the code. Now, so running this, here I have my graphical user interface. I decided to keep it compact because I feel like that's a good way to demonstrate the information. So you begin by loading the data, so pressing this, and this pops up a window. This window now will be, let's see. So this window right here will allow you to see the pairs. I compared the China one with a couple different countries to keep one the same and the rest different. Now I will show you demonstrate this. See how they change as I slot through. The last one will be a protein sequence. That's why you can see there's a larger variation of colors, and the same, we can go back. Now, let's see. I made the big change of 5 so that it goes from end to end. Now I will demonstrate the image subtraction function. As you see with this particular one, you happen to have not a ton of similarity. Therefore, the only part of it is really black. And by resetting this function, I come back to the center, and then I can retry again for a different thing. So, image similarity, as you see here, this is where this image, where it's black, is when you were able to show that the image was the same, or not the same, and whereas white is where it was the same. Now, the percent differences function is not something I can really demonstrate, but once you have collected, let's say, I guess, once you've collected perhaps 1%, one of the functions, oopsie, then you have to wait until you see this button here, reset available. That'll tell you that this has completed its function. So we'll just wait for that. Now that the algorithm is completed, we can click save percent differences, and then if you go to your if you go to your root folder of your project, you will see over here, say, percent differences, and as you see, it's saved at 650. and it will have the percent. The bottom one is the one you're looking at. The top one is under a different scenario. But see, there was according to this at least, if you weren't considering the fact that they were shifted, then they would be 99.74% similar. Alright, that's it.